How to post a guest blog. Guest blogging is a great way to expand your online presence, gain exposure for your brand, and build relationships with other bloggers and website owners. By contributing high-quality content to other websites, you can establish yourself as an authority in your niche and drive traffic back to your own website. In this article, we will go over the steps involved in guest blogging, including how to find the right websites, write a great blog post, and promote your content once it is published. Finding the right website. The first step in guest blogging is finding the right websites to submit your content to. You want to look for websites that are in your niche, have a similar target audience, and are authoritative in their field. One way to find guest blogging opportunities is to search for websites that have a Write for Us or guest posted pages. You can also search for blogs in your niche and contact the owners directly to inquire about guest blogging opportunities. When choosing a website to guest blog on, it's important to consider the following factors. Audience. Make sure the website's audience is similar to your own target audience. Niche. Look for websites that are in the same niche as your own. Authority. Check the website's domain authority and backlink profile to see if it is a well-established and reputable website. 2. Meeting the website's requirements. Before you submit your guest blog post, be sure to read and follow the website's guest blogging guidelines. These guidelines will typically specify the type of content that the website accepts, the length of the post, and any formatting or style requirements. They will also usually include information on how to submit your post and what to include in your bio. It's also important to make sure that your post meets the website's standards for quality and relevance. Your post should be well-written, informative, and engaging. Make sure that it is relevant to the website's audience and provides value to the readers. 3. Writing the blog post. Once you have found a website to guest blog on and read the guidelines, it's time to write your post. Here are some tips to help you write a high-quality, engaging post. Choose a topic that is relevant to the website's audience and provides value to the readers. Use a catchy headline to grab the reader's attention. Use subheadings, images, and other formatting elements to break up the text and make it easier to read. Keep the post around the length specified in the guidelines. Include a bio and headshot of yourself at the end of the post. Include links in your post, both to your own website and to relevant external resources. 4. Submitting the post. Once your post is written and formatted according to the guidelines, it's time to submit it for review. Follow the instructions on the website for how to submit your post, and be sure to include your bio and headshot as specified in the guidelines. It's also a good idea to follow up with the website owner after you have submitted your post. This will show that you are interested in the status of your submission and ensure that your post doesn't get lost in the shuffle. 6. Promoting your post. Once your post is published, it's important to promote it to drive traffic to the website and increase the visibility of your own brand. Here are some ways to promote your guest blog post. Share the post on your own social media accounts, and encourage your followers to share it as well. Reach out to other bloggers in your niche and ask them to share your post. Add the post to online communities and forums related to your niche. Include a link to the post in your email signature and on your website. Using social media to drive traffic to the website is an effective way to promote your post. You can share the link to your post on platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Make sure to include a catchy and engaging headline, as well as an image or video, to make your post more shareable. 7. Conclusion. In conclusion, guest blogging is a powerful way to expand your online presence, build relationships with other bloggers, and drive traffic back to your own website. By following the steps outlined in this article, you can find the right websites to guest blog on, write a great post, and promote your content effectively. Remember to always read and follow the website's guest blogging guidelines, and to promote your post once it is published. Guest blogging is a great way to establish yourself as an authority in your niche and boost your online presence. So, don't be afraid to start guest blogging today.